they're here.
Yeah, April the wax queen crown made of smoke. Drip game, heavy scents hit, no joke. Candles lit, the room's a kaleidoscope.
Welcome back, wax friends, and welcome to the April edit. So today I have a fun video for you guys. I have May's Bring Back My Bars right here as I drop them all for you because, you know, it's not a Scentsy video unless you drop a few bars. But I am so excited because most of these are new to me scents, so I have not smelled very many of them. Now, Scentsy is doing something a little bit different this Bring Back My Bar round. We do have a total of 24 bars, but instead of dropping them all at once, they are dividing it up over 3 months. And the first drop is May 1st, and the bars, which I have right here, will be Amalfi Coast, Bananaberry, Berry of Paradise, Grapefruit Pomegranate, Grapefruit Sunshine, Indigo Cotton, Rainbow Red, and Salted Lavender. Now coming June 1st will be All You Need Is Love, Apple Parsley, Citrus Pop, Driftwood and Jasmine, Kahika Hula, Sharp Dressed Man, and Sunny and Cher. Plus a Dan Orchard pick of You're My Buttercup. And then July 1st will be Blue Hyacinth, Cambridge, Cookie Dough, Down the Aisle, Habana Vieja, Mango Shortcake, Now and Zen, and Tomato Vine. So it is a different type of Bring Back My Bar, but I'm kind of excited because, you know, it's going to give everybody some time to get their orders placed and kind of sniff through things, and especially for us reviewers so that we can take our time and let you know what we like, what we don't like, and maybe what you might want to pick up. Okay, without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive on in, and I will be going in alphabetical order, and I'll let you know along the way what's new, what's not new to me, and what I'm going to club. All right, first up is Amalfi Coast. And there are 2 different scent notes I'm going to be reading off because some of the new bars, the new packaging does have scent notes on the label, but then there are some different scent notes that were on Scentsy's website that I also have. So I'll read both of them off to you. So Amalfi Coast is pomelo, white grapefruit, and capri lime on the label. And when I looked it up, it said pomelo, sparkling water, fresh citrus, and white grapefruit. Now this is a new to me scent. I'm a little nervous because sometimes grapefruit can be a little funky to my nose, but we'll see. Okay, I had no reason to be nervous. That's really nice. Okay, to me, this is a very bright, juicy scent, and that grapefruit is a sweet grapefruit. It says white grapefruit, which typically whenever I eat grapefruit, that's a little sharp to my nose, but this one is really, really sweet. I think that pomelo and then that fresh citrus is really brightening it up, kind of making it not very bitter. Really nice. I would say the fresh citrus kind of reads an orange juice type of a scent to my nose, but I really like it. Wow, there's like a lot of sugar in here too. That smells really, really fantastic. Sparkling water. I don't get an effervescence, but this is a light and airy type of scent. Smells to be about a medium strength on cold. This one is really nice on cold. I'm surprised I like it this much. Amalfi Coast. So everybody who voted for this one, you did a great job. I'm excited to warm that, and I think that's going to be really perfect for the summertime. It's a refreshing, juicy, bright, crisp, sweet scent. So really, really nice. Okay, this one is not new to me, but it is an absolute love. Bananaberry. So this is banana pudding, sliced strawberries, ice cream, and sweet fruit taffy. I voted like crazy for this bar, you guys, and I am so happy that you all helped me out on getting this one to come back because I am for sure going to put this one in my Scentsy Club. Beautiful yellow colored wax. Yes, and this one just gives me all the feels. This to me is very, very banana forward. I do get that strawberry, but it's more like a creamy strawberry milkshake with bananas, like a lot of bananas. Yeah. Oh, it's so good. Very creamy, very banana forward with that strawberries in the background. Yeah, I love this one. It's a fantastic performer. I'm so thankful this one came back. So yes, This is one where I will be putting 2 bars in my bi-monthly club because I do not want to be without that one ever. Okay, next up is one that is in my club already, and it's fantastic, and that's Berry of Paradise. This is Strawberries, Bird of Paradise, and Smooth Vanilla Cream. This one is so good, you guys. Oh man, this might be my favorite strawberry Scentsy scent of all time. Now, it does remind me somewhat of Strawberry Swirl, but if you don't like that lactonic, frothy milk note that's in Strawberry Swirl, give this one a try. To me, this is a very creamy strawberry vanilla scent. I would say this is like a strawberry milkshake. Yes. It's so good. Now, it says there's Bird of Paradise in here. I do not pick up any floral whatsoever. I don't pick up anything green in here. To me, it is just like a creamy strawberry vanilla milkshake. So, so good. And it's a fantastic performer in my house. So happy this one came back. I might actually put 1 more bar in my club just because I love it that much. It's so good. So really, if you are worried about that floral in here, do not be, because I don't get it, and you know your girl does not like florals. Okay, this one is a new to me scent, and this one is in the new packaging. This is Grapefruit Pomegranate. So the scent notes on the package are grapefruit, pomegranate, and orange. And when I looked it up online, it said sugar dusted grapefruit, orange zest, and juicy pomegranate aerials. Again, a little nervous because grapefruit can kind of go either way for me. Okay, again, wow, this is a really good grapefruit. Okay, sugar dusted grapefruit, yes. So this to me would be like if you had a pink grapefruit and if you put like sugar on top of it, that's what this one smells like. Orange zest, I would say there's definitely some orange zest in here as well. This is a very juicy, bright, fresh type of a scent. Juicy pomegranate aerials. I don't know if I'm really getting any pomegranate, but there is a lot of sweetness to the scent. A lot of sweetness, a lot of tanginess. It's really, really nice. So I'm excited to see how this one does on warm, but on cold, I'm really liking it. Smells to be like a solid medium as well on cold. So again, a really good grapefruit scent. I think this will be perfect for summer. And it's interesting because there are quite a few grapefruits that were, you know, voted back for this month. So again, bravo job to everybody who knew this was a great bar. It's really, really nice on cold. Okay, speak of the devil, another grapefruit scent. This is Grapefruit Sunshine. This is new to me, and this one is in the older packaging. This is pink grapefruit, chilled citrus juice, and vanilla cream. This was a Dan Orchard pick, and it's actually a really pretty color. Kind of like a peachy pink. Okay, so this one isn't as vibrant as the Grapefruit Pomegranate, but it's nice. I think I like Grapefruit Pomegranate better. I do get the pink grapefruit in here, and it is definitely a pink grapefruit. If you've ever had like the Ocean Spray Ruby Red grapefruit juice, it's kind of what it smells like. Chilled citrus juice, I would say there is definitely some kind of like orange juice in here as well. Vanilla cream, I really don't feel like I'm picking up that vanilla cream. It's not sharp, so maybe the vanilla cream is in there just kind of making it not a super sharp type of a scent, but it's nice. It is definitely a more subdued scent, but I like it. We'll see how it does on warm. I feel this is probably like a light plus on cold, but I like that. Again, I think, you know, these are some of the better grapefruit scents that Scentsy has made, so I like that one. Okay, another new to me scent. This is Indigo Cotton, and this is in the new packaging. Now on the label, it says lavender, cotton, and linens. And when I looked it up online, it said laundered chambray, cool morning air, and crisp lemon peel. It is a gorgeous purple colored wax. Okay, so this is definitely the laundry of the scents. Yeah. So to me, it's not like a dryer sheet and it's not like laundry soap. But it's almost like if you had like clothes and you just wash them and you are moving them from the washing machine to the dryer, you know, like the fresh, clean scent that the clothes have. That's what I get. Now there's no lavender in here, and maybe it's just my mind playing tricks on me because it's purple, but I feel like I'm almost getting a lavender, but I'm not sure. It's nice. Everything is blended together really well. I'm not the most into laundry types of scents, but this one is not overpowering. Sometimes laundry can be super overpowering to my nose, but this one is nice. So yeah, very fresh laundry type of scent. So I think this would be great for my laundry room. Definitely looking forward to warming that one. Okay, this one is not new to me. I have warmed this one before. This is Rainbow Red. So this was originally in a collection called the Chasing Rainbows collection. It was labeled red, and then it came back to the catalog and they called it Rainbow Red. So this is chilled watermelon, sugared strawberries, and red cherries. And yeah, this is pure watermelon, strawberry, and cherry. This is a very rich, fruity, vibrant scent. Oh yeah, I feel like on the bottom, I'm picking up a lot of that cherry, but it's not medicinal. It's very, very fruity. Perfect for the summertime, definitely. And it smells very, very strong. And from what I remember, it was a pretty decent performer. So this is something that I think would be fantastic to mix with like a lemon sorbet or a lemon lime fizz. You could kind of create a little mixology of watermelon strawberry lemonade. So this is nice. Looking forward to warming this one again. I think this was a really good choice for the summer. Really nice. So I am excited to play some mixology with this one. And then rounding out the scents is one that is new to me. This is Salted Lavender. So this is new packaging, and on the label it says lavender, ocean minerals, and timberwood. And when I looked it up, it said dried lavender, weathered cottage beans, and a breath of sea air. So I do like lavender scents, but I'm picky with lavender scents, so we'll see. It is a gorgeous purple colored wax. Okay, it's better than I thought. Yeah, this is definitely a fresh type of scent. So I was a little worried that it was gonna lean soapy or lean a little too floral, because sometimes lavenders can do that, like Provence lavender. I'm just not a fan of that one. But this one's nice. I would say it's definitely a more fresh type of a lavender. Like if you had a lavender bouquet and you just like picked it up and you were smelling it, that's like the type of lavender I get. Not bakery, not overly floral, herbally, or soapy, just somewhere kind of in the middle. Let's see, weathered cottage beans. Yes, I do feel like I'm getting some type of like a driftwood type of a vibe with this. And then the breath of sea air, perhaps there is some salty sea air. I would say that would not be the predominant note. Mostly it's that lavender. And then almost like a driftwood. This is pretty. Yeah. So I'm happy that this one wasn't like veering too much into like the floral realm or the too herbally realm. It's nice. I think maybe the driftwood and the salty sea air is kind of helping the scent out, kind of grounding it a little bit, and just keeping it kind of fresh and kind of light and kind of airy. Okay, so overall, you guys, I'm pretty impressed with this round of Bring Back My Bars. I'm gonna go ahead and rank my top 4. Let's do my top 4. That if you like scents that I like, that I think you should try. First and foremost is going to be Bananaberry and Berry Paradise. These are fantastic. I already know I'm gonna put 2 of these in my bi-monthly club because I love this one so much. Berry Paradise is probably the best damn strawberry scent that Scentsy has. I already have 2 in my Scentsy Club, my bi-monthly club, and I could see myself potentially putting 1 more in. It's that good of a strawberry scent. a wild card for me that I am surprised I like as much as I do, and that's Amalfi Coast. There is something about this one, you guys. Man, it's just so bright and juicy and yummy. Like, I can't believe how much I like this one. And the more I smell it, I feel like I get more and more of like that citrusy orange with it. Really, really good. I am really liking that one. And again, it smells like a medium, at least on cold sniff. So I'm excited to warm that one. And then I would say my next favorite is another one that kind of surprises me. And that's Grapefruit Pomegranate. I don't know, you guys. There's just something about this one too. It's got this like sweetness and this tanginess that is just so yummy. So vibrant and so juicy. And I think this will be great on a hot summer day. Yeah, I'm really liking that one. Honestly, out of this whole bunch, there isn't anything that I dislike. Like, I really do think they all smell really good. Bravo, everyone, for voting these back. I'm excited to get to warming them, and I will for sure post my warm reviews because, you know, everything can change on warm. That's where it's really at. But overall, I would say this is a fantastic round, and I am looking forward to seeing what June and July are going to bring us. So leave a comment below. Have you tried any of these scents? If you have, what is your favorite? And what are you looking forward to trying that maybe you haven't smelled before? So thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.